kiddo. Hi-yi. Welcome to Vegetable Land. Eat alphabet. I am the vibrant letter V.
I am so happy to meet you.
Do you know my sound?
My sound is...
Come on, say it with me.
Great job!
Now let's listen to a little poem of letter V.
V is for van, van. V is for fast, fast. V is for fast, vest. V is for vacuum, vacuum. V is for vegetable, vegetable. V says, sing it loud today. V says, that's the sound we say. V is for volcano, volcano. V is for volleyball, volleyball. V is for vine, vine. V is for vulture, vulture. V is for violin, violin. V says, sing it loud today. V says, that's the sound we say. Clap your hands, hooray! The letter V makes every day.
Like and subscribe the channel.